Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to explain to you how you can configure the response settings within your conversation AI bot. Response style settings will help you to control how short and detailed your bot's replies will be. By choosing concise, balanced, or detailed, you can better match your brand voice and the channel you're replying in. Whether you need quick confirmations, helpful context, or more thorough answers without needing to rewrite prompts, channel-friendly replies, for example, will help you to match the reply channel length, such as SMS, web chat, or social DMs and more. It provides better customer clarity, as it will only provide the right amount of information in order to avoid a back and forth. And also the customer has a consistent experience with the same brand voice, because it will keep replies aligned with your preferred tone of voice and style. Now let me show you how you can set this up. So let's navigate to AI agents on the left, select conversation AI at the top, go to bot settings and scroll all the way down to response settings. And here you can toggle on this little button. Here you can see the response styles: concise, balanced, and detailed. If this option is disabled, the bot will just function as you've set it up before. Now back to the response styles. If you select concise, it will produce around 30 words, balanced about 80 words, and detailed about 200 words. So the concise 30 words are best for a quick acknowledgement, a simple Q&A, and maybe SMS-friendly replies. So you can expect direct answers with minimal context. Then the balanced 80 words are best for like the most general conversations, qualifying questions, and just basic support. So you can expect a clear answer plus light context and a little bit of guidance. And lastly, the detailed 200 words are best for the FAQs, troubleshooting, onboarding, or step-by-step setups. You can expect a very structured explanation. Please note, these words are just guidelines. There is no strict cap on these words. So it's roughly about 30, 80, 200 words. So depending on the conversation, they may slightly be longer or shorter. If your prompt includes conflicting instructions, such as never use more than 20 words, results may be less predictable. So for the best results, try to avoid certain word count rules within the prompt. So we have 3 different bots that support these response settings, which is the form-based, the prompt-based, and the flow-based bots. These response settings are being saved per bot. So if you change it in one bot, it doesn't apply for the other bots. So you can use different response styles within different bots. And that's it already. This is how you set up your response settings within your AI bots. If you're thinking of selling AI bots to your local community, make sure to check out all of our affiliate bonuses that are linked in the description box below, and I will see you on the other side.